Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. So today's topic that we're going to discuss is uh, the EPFO organization sent notices to 149 companies for not depositing the PF contribution provident fund. So here we go. So they have sent around the notices to around 149 companies for not depositing the provident fund amount of their employees for the past 1 year by the regional office of the employees PF organization EPFO. And this story is from Faridabad. And this is something they have also warned of the legal action if pending amount is not deposited within the scheduled period. So basically, what is about? So every month when you get your wage, right, that is called in-hand salary, they deduct your employer as well as employee contribution, and the companies are supposed to deposit that amount to EPFO, both your share as well as the company share. So now in this case, what they have done is the companies have not deposited that money to the EPFO. Now, when the EPFO has not received those amounts, which are running in crores of rupees, EPFOs have sent the notices to them for depositing the said money. Now, when the companies do not send that money, so the EPFO has the authority under Section 8B and 8G of the PF Act, in which they can take help of police, and police is bound to execute the order from the EPFO. Going forward, an EPFO official claimed that the issuance of the notices to defaulter companies was part of the legal process, and department might issue arrest warrants or attachment of the bank accounts if companies fail to respond and clear the pending contribution to the in the given period. So the point to note is they can do both things. They can issue arrest warrant as well as they can attach the banking accounts of the company if they don't respond and clear the pending dues. They also mentioned that 6.16 crore of the PF contribution has been made. Recovery of 6.16 crore of PF contribution has been made from 70 companies in the region, like we mentioned before, Faridabad and Palwal in 2023 and 2024. The amount was realized after the issuance of the arrest warrants by the EPFO. Now, very important point to note: they did not do it. The companies did not fund the companies did not give the funds to the EPFO at the time, since, like, how do I say? So they did not give the money to the EPFO because until unless the EPFO came and they issued a arrest warrant to them. Now, 120 bank accounts were frozen by the department during the process, is what they have done. EPFO has also attached the bank accounts of around 56 companies in the past 15 months for the failure to deposit the PF contribution. It's a big thing, and I'll tell you towards the end of this video what you can do to keep a check of this, whether it has been done or not. They also mentioned a registered company needs to deposit 12% of the basic salary of an employee and an equal amount of the management fee as PF contribution to the EPFO office as per the rules. Now, like I mentioned before, the EPFO department is authorized to take action under the PF and income tax proceeding rules, which provides them the power of recovery from the defaulting companies. Now, they have the power. Now, under which sections of the Act? So, the warrants can be issued under the Section 8B and 8G of the PF Act. Now, in which police are to execute the order given by the EPF organization. They can also do attachment of the property could also be done if the PF rules are not complied with by the registered companies. That's what it is done. Department also may resort to issuance of prohibitory orders to recover the pending amount from the third party in case latter owes any payment to the default organization. Faridabad district said they have around 28,000 industrial commercial units, and Kishan Kumar, this person is the assistant commissioner at EPFO Faridabad. They also said that notices are issued on a regular basis to defaulter companies. The department may not resort to the action like attachment, may resort to action like attachment of the bank accounts, property, and issuance of the arrest warrant and lodging of FIRs as a part of legal process. So what we understand from this particular scenario is the companies are not depositing the PF contribution both by the employer and the employee to the EPFO. Now, what we can do is, so basically we can do one thing, and that's a basic thing, which will you be able to keep a check of it. How we can check whether the company has done it? So you need to go to the EPFO website, and once you go to the EPFO website, you will have a UN unified account number. That's a UN number. You just put your UN number and your password, log into the member passbook website, and you'll be able to see for the wage month you have got the contribution or not. If your company has been giving the contribution on a monthly basis, that is 15th of every month, then you will see that hey, they are doing it. If they are not, please raise that concern to your HR or to your finance department and get it resolved. In case you don't receive any traction over that, please raise the concern to the EPFO department on their website, and you can raise a grievance to that. So that's all from my side. Do share your comments, what you like, what is your thoughts about it, and happy to discuss. Goodbye. Take care.